Hey guys! So, today I'm going to be showing you how to camp indoors. Bam. But, so this is just a random silly video that I wanted to make because I thought it sounded cool. So, yeah. First step. Clear the space. Okay. Number 2. Get a tent. Okay, it's frozen, I know, but still. Okay, so let's pull it up. Ow! I hit my butt. Stupid. Okay, let's find the entryway. Let's get inside. Okay, so it's dark in here, so I'm gonna we should go get a flashlight. So, yeah. I'm gonna leave you guys in here for a second. So, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that I have a flashlight in here. I said I was pretty sure. Okay, yeah. I got a flashlight. So that's good. Okay, so let's go into the tent. Well, first of all, we need like a blanket. So I'll take this blanket and then take a pillow. So let's lay this down real quick. Okay, why do I keep doing that? So you can't probably see me, but you can probably see half of me. Okay, now you take a pillow. So I'm going to take that pink one. There, that pink fuzzy one. Hey, hello kitty. Hi bunny. Hi you. Hi other bunny. Okay, so let's take this pink fluffy pillow. You probably can't see in here because it's dark still, but light, dark, light, dark, light, dark, whatever. Okay, now we're going to take the flashlight. Turn it on. See, it's like 3 settings. Red, red, yellow, and then blinking red. Second one. Okay. So, sorry guys, but let me get into the tent and then I'll grab this flashlight. So, yeah. Okay, so yeah. And like, you can get like comics or something. Oh no, the flashlight turned off. Like comics or something, or like you have a friend over and camp indoors. Whoosh. So, I hope you had a very lovely day. Bye-bye. Caitlin, out.